Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial for the introduction of the course. I'm really glad that you guys have taken it. So let me show you how to log into the Moodle platform. So first of all, go to this link, flexingthisdemo.colomamericano.edu.com, and type your username, which is usually your ID number, and your password that you will receive through an email that I'll send you along with this video. Once you're in, you go ahead and go to where it says using mobile learning in your classroom, and here you will find the first session for this course, which is the welcome session, and the first session, which is the welcome session, and the second session, which will be the first lesson for this class. Please do not pay attention to the icons at the bottom, but pay attention to those that have the pictures. These pictures over here. This information here is the same information that you're gonna find here. So just click here, okay? Once you click here, you will be sent to a new page, and here you'll find the information for the introduction of the course. Yes. Also, this is very important. Read the overview, which is basically a file where you will find what the course is about, the methodology, and the evaluation. Okay. As you can see, we are going to have 6 sessions. We expect that you guys work for 2 hours in each session. The first one is introduction concepts of mobile learning, and the second one is to study the SAMR model, and the third one is micro learning. The fourth one, microblogging. Number 5, WhatsApp in the classroom, and finally we will have the most popular apps for English learning. These are the dates that we will be working on this. Finally, you will have the methodology and the assignments and evaluation, and what the percentage will be for each of the activities that you will do. Please read this carefully, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Also, this is for the introduction. We're going to introduce ourselves by using an application which is called iSpeaking Photo App. There's a tutorial here in case you have any doubts on how to use it. Then you click on number 2, and here on number 2 you will find the lesson walkthrough and the forum. Okay, remember, you don't click on these little icons, but in the big icons with the pictures next to them. So when you click on next on walkthrough, you'll be directed to this whole page that you will have all the explanations on how to work through this lesson, through this session. So go ahead and read it, and again, if you have questions, please let me know. I will be more than willing to help. Here you will also have the date where you will have to submit the assignments, and I hope you guys have a good time. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. I hope you can put into practice as much as you can learn during this course. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.